4 steps to making your home business a true automated system. You hear it all the time if you have been involved in the home business or internet business industry. You need a system to succeed. I like to take this a step further. You not only need a system, but in order to get the most out of your home business opportunity, you need to have an automated system. To take that even one step further, your automated system must hit your prospects from every angle in order to achieve the highest levels of prosperity. Here are 4 techniques that, if used on all of your prospects, will increase your earnings with any home or internet business opportunity. Step 1. Create a capture or squeeze page. Even if you have no idea what this is, you have almost certainly seen a capture page and even been captured by one. A capture page is simply a page that is set up to give some brief information about a product or service, but then requires the prospect to enter their info to get the full details. It is often a teaser or hyped up page to get the prospect to want to know more. The most effective capture pages touch on the prospect's personal or financial needs, compelling them to find out more by filling in their information. Once they do, you own their information for life and can continue to follow up with them or contact them about other offers of services you have now, or develop in the future. Capture pages are a must to start building your list that you will be able to promote any product or service. A great program that allows even the most novice person to create capture pages in minutes is Lead Page Generator. Special note, never lose your list of captured names, addresses, emails, etc. Those that are highly successful in any home business or internet opportunity have a list of thousands that they have built over the years. Anytime they have a new product, service or opportunity to promote, they send it out to their list first. This gives you a big head start, and if your products, services and opportunities have been successful in the past, your list will follow you everywhere. This all leads into the second technique to creating a totally automated system: email autoresponders. Step 2. Follow up with prospects via email. This is the easiest and most recognizable form of follow-up. When creating a capture page, all you have to do is tie the information form into an autoresponder. This can be done very easily using services such as Aweber. Now, when a prospect fills in their information, you not only get to keep their information for your list, but now you can follow up with them daily, weekly, monthly without having to lift a finger. Of course, you have to write your email follow-up messages ahead of time, but once you have them completed, you are following up with your prospects over and over while doing no additional work. While email is a nice tool to make your system automated, it is far too often the only tool people use. This is a huge mistake. Fact is, that email follow-up and marketing is becoming far less effective due to spam laws and people filtering their email accounts. In order to reach as many people as possible, you need to come at them from different angles. Step 3. Follow up with a voice broadcasting system. Voice broadcasting gives you yet another method of following up with prospects. It is an awesome tool and as of late has been sort of the new email. Because email is getting caught by filters and spam control features, it is necessary to try and reach prospects using other methods. Outside of email, voice broadcasting is the easiest and least expensive means of following up. In addition, voice broadcasting can keep your system totally automated. You can record a simple message or series of messages, collect the prospect's phone number on your capture page, and then simply set up your voice broadcasting software to call them once, weekly, monthly, or whatever you choose. There are lots of services to use out there. Cold Calling, VoiceShot, ProBuilderPlus, and Protus are just a few. Step 4. Postcard follow-up. Direct mail is by far the most forgotten means of follow-up, but often the most effective. Postcards are a terrific way to make sure that your prospects hear from you. By simply collecting their mailing info on your capture page, you have set yourself up to use an incredible tool that will definitely help increase your sales and income. There are a couple of services that allow you to set up a direct mail campaign to work just like an email autoresponder. The best service in my opinion is postcardautoresponder.com. You can input the prospect's mailing address and set up a campaign that will send them a postcard once, twice, weekly, monthly, or whatever you choose. Just set it up once and forget it. You can contact a prospect for an entire year on autopilot. You can even create custom postcards for any business, service, or opportunity. If you use that simple 4-step plan to create an automated system for your business, You will definitely increase sales and income. Plus, you will not only have an automated system that works for you while you are doing the things you enjoy, but it will be one that contacts prospects from every angle so they are sure to get your message early and often. Remember, it is not always enough just to have a system. You need to have an automated system that you can plug each prospect into that will run itself while you focus on building your business.